Welcome to English Quizlet. If you've ever been confused about when to use who and when to use whom, you're not alone. In this quiz, we'll test your knowledge with fun examples, clear answers, and simple explanations. Make sure to subscribe for more quizzes like this. Let's get started. Who is knocking at the door? Subject doing the knocking. To whom should I address this letter? The letter is addressed to someone. Who made this painting? Subject creating the painting. You met whom? Object of the verb met. Who is going to lead the team? Subject leading the team. With whom are you traveling? Object of the preposition with. Who wants to volunteer? Subject volunteering. She's the one whom everyone admires. Object of admires. Who told you this secret? Subject telling the secret. The student whom she trusted. Object of trusted. Who will be responsible? Subject responsible. You gave the gift to whom? Object of the gift. Who left their bag? Subject leaving the bag. The person with whom I had lunch. Object of the preposition with. Who is ready for the challenge? Subject ready. To whom are we sending the invitation? Object receiving the invitation. Who was at the party? Subject at the party. The candidate who was most qualified, subject of was. Who wants to ask a question? Subject asking. You were speaking with whom? Object of the preposition with. Who will pay for the tickets? Subject paying. She couldn't decide whom to trust. Object of trust. Who is coming to dinner? Subject coming. The person whom the committee selects. Object of selects. Who broke this vase? Subject breaking. With whom did you share the information? Object of with. Who knows the answer? Subject knowing. The man whom you saw. Object of saw. Who is responsible for locking the doors? Subject responsible. The girl to whom we owe success. Object of owe. Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.